Hey guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. I know my hair looks a little bit crazy right now, but I just wanted to do a get ready with me and show you guys my basically everyday makeup routine for when I'm feeling like wearing makeup. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram. It's at HannahSalasM. I'll put it right here or in the description as well. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below of what you would like to see next and subscribe. Also turn on the post notifications so you receive a notification from every single video I upload. So I know my hair looks a little bit crazy right now because I just showered and I put it up in this microfiber towel. So I'm just gonna let it dry for 15-20 minutes. Without any further ado, let's get started. I'm just gonna be doing a little get ready with me to show you my everyday makeup routine. So I wanted to make this video today just to show you guys my everyday makeup routine for when I have to go out. So today I'm gonna focus on my eyes and my eyebrows because I'm gonna be wearing a mask. So I don't feel the need to layer on a bunch of foundation or powders or bronzers, etc. So I'm just gonna be focusing on my eyes. I don't wanna just do my face like I normally would because then I'll have a bunch of foundation on my mask. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sort of tie my hair back. So my hair's drying, so I just wanted to get it out of my face now. So I've already gone in and done my skincare routine. If you want to see that video, I will link it in the description down below or somewhere up in the cards. But basically I've just moisturized, put some eye cream on, a little bit of lip balm, and we're ready to get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is just do my eyebrows first because we want that to be the focal point. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade and my Anastasia brush as well. This one's just angled and can be very precise. And I'm just gonna go ahead and fill my eyebrows in now. If I ever get too much, I just go ahead and start doing the other side and I'll blend it out with the spoolie. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush them out. So next I'm gonna go in with my concealer and just a small brush and just go ahead and clean up the edges around my eyebrows. Once I've gotten most of it outlined, I'll go in with my beauty blender. I'm gonna go ahead and use the same concealer that I used for my eyebrows, and I'm just gonna apply this underneath to get rid of some of these dark circles that I have, and just blend that in once again with my trusty friend, the Beauty Blender. So now I'm gonna take my translucent powder and my small face brush, and I'm just gonna powder my under eyes and my forehead. You only wanna put the powder where we put concealer, so I'm just gonna do that. It's kinda like hard to just do half your face of makeup basically, but that's what we're going for today. So after we've done that, I'm gonna go in and set my brows with my NYX Brow Gel, and this is just to tame any hairs that might fly away. So now's the fun part to do some eyeshadow, and I love my Lorac Pro matte palette, and this one's just the mini, and it has a bunch of natural shades, so I just wanted to do a natural look today because I didn't want anything too dramatic. I'm gonna go in and take Bare, the translucent shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over my lid. Now I'm going in with a tapered brush, and I'm just gonna take Latte, which is a light brown shade, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease on both eyes. So I love just a natural brown matte shade in the crease and just doing a white, fresh looking eye. So that's what we're gonna be going for today. So this is good, but I'm gonna add a little more dimension. So I'm just gonna take Corduroy, which is a darker brown shade, tap off the excess. I'm just gonna put the shade in the outer V just for a little bit of extra dimension. The next step in my makeup routine is just gonna be some white eyeliner underneath my eyes in my waterline. So this part is probably my least favorite part of my whole makeup routine, but it really makes a difference and it really makes your eyes pop. Okay. Alright, so I just finished that. And like I said, it's my least favorite part of my whole makeup routine because it kind of makes my eyes water. Now I'm just going to go back in with my Lorac Pro palette, and I'm just going to take Latte, that light brown color we used, and smudge it out underneath my eyelash just to get it a little bit of dimension. Alright, so now that we've finished that, we're almost done. Now we're going to go in with my dreaded friend, the eyelash curler. I go ahead and curl my eyelashes and try and be as gentle as I can because you don't want to rip all your eyelashes out. So just be as gentle as you can. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara, and I'm just going to apply this all over my top and bottom eyelashes. Alright guys, so I usually do 2 coats of mascara, and as you can see, I f***ed up. I got it on my lid. So what I'm gonna do is show you a hack for if you get mascara on your lids. An easy fix is just wait, stop, don't touch it, don't touch it. Wait for it to dry. We're gonna just continue on with the rest of our makeup, and I'm gonna come back and show you what you do. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this Burt's Bees Pink Grapefruit chapstick because I usually use my Yves Rocher moisturizers, but this was just the one I had next to me. So what I'm gonna do to fix the mascara that I got on my eyelid is I'm just gonna go ahead and take the same brush that we used for our crease color, and with nothing on it, tap the excess off. I'm just gonna blend the black specks of mascara, and you'll watch, it comes off amazing. I just brush, 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 brush. So now I'm gonna go in and take the Lorac Pro palette, and I'm just gonna take Linen, the white shade, and I'm just gonna put this on my lid and underneath to just brighten my whole eye up. Put it underneath, and this is gonna get rid of any excess mascara underneath your eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Lumi highlighter, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheekbones and just half of my nose bridge, just so there's a little bit of highlight. So I just like to put that literally just on the top part, and I find that this makes such a big difference just doing this. So I'll go ahead and blend. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. As you can tell, when you take your face mask off, it's still pretty natural. There's no harsh line or smudging. And if I do put my face mask on, and look at that, no residue at all. So I really like this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a great day, and make sure to stay safe and healthy. If you guys recreate my look, make sure you tag me on Instagram so I can see all your beautiful smiling faces and like them and comment on them. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a like, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe for more weekly videos. Don't forget to turn the bell notification on so you receive a notification from every single video I upload. Make sure you check out my Instagram. It is @HannahSalasM, and I will also link it down below in the description for you guys. And I'll see you next week's video. Bye guys!